Do you know that Rhapsody Realities is in its 20th year in print this year? We're celebrating 20 years of impact, 20 years of transformation in all the nations of the world. That's amazing. If you're not a partner, I want you to join today and become a partner. There are certain words that people use carelessly. For instance, people will say, we're all humans, we're all mortal, everybody would die, you can't live forever. But the scripture shows us that Christ gave us something. He didn't just die for us, He died for us to give us something. And that thing is a life born of the Spirit, a life-giving Spirit. Discover more in today's Rhapsody of Realities. Have a great day. I love you.